Hey guys, good morning and welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Kram, my partner is Cash, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. Alright, so a quick disclaimer, you guys, we are not a buy or sell channel. We provide free technical and fundamental analysis, and we find opportunities to bank pips, which we then convert into money. Alright, so if you're looking for someone who's going to tell you to buy now and sell now, you are on the wrong stream. But if you are looking for someone to teach you about these markets, and if you're looking for a profitable strategy to trade with, then stick around, because that's exactly what we're gonna do. All right, so guys, I had some levels marked out. All right, I think we're a bit too late. I should have shared my screen. Okay, but that's what I'm looking at on Nasdaq. Damn it, I'm in on a feeler on this, you guys. I didn't get a chance to get in on anything more, just a feeler. I'm gonna see how this candle closes. Alright, that's what I'm... Damn it, they're freaking bleeding, you guys. There's also news in the next 8 minutes, okay? Which is why we're on earlier today. There is some news. Okay. Let's take a quick look at the RSI. It looks good to me. Okay. Alright guys, I just got into a couple of trades. Alright, gonna test this out, gonna watch it. Maybe we get this zone fill. That's about 10 pips. Let's see if they want to give it to us. Okay, so that's Nasdaq. The dirty right here. We're coming into some serious demand right in this area, so maybe we can try and catch a pullback. Okay, and gold again attempting to test our demand out. Okay, so either we break down from here and we push down, or we pick support up from here and then we look to buy the market in and around this area. Okay, how are you guys doing? I'm sorry, we've been really busy, not just with trading, but we have a production house, and we've been on shoot for the past couple days. Cash has been on shoot for the past almost 48 hours at a stretch by now. How's it going with you guys? News only for Nasty? Well, no, there's USD news, so everything would be affected by it. Nasty's falling. Alright, let's take a look. Okay, I'm running by about 4 pips on Nasdaq, you guys. About 4 pips. Okay, 400 bucks, 2 positions. I'm running on this 4 pips. Okay, 5 pips. I'm gonna quickly set these to break even because I don't want to pull these profits out in case they want to reverse back. I'd be okay with that. Okay, so give me a quick second. Okay, and if we break past this support, you guys, if we break past this demand sitting in this area, we're probably pushing down to maybe fill this wick. Okay, so let's see if they want to give it to us. Right, but we're looking at maybe this area. Alright, I'm running about 3 pips on this, you guys. Just 3 pips, not too much. Melzone, my man, how's it going, buddy? Okay, still running 2 pips on this, you guys. We may get a little bit of a retest, and I realize that. Alright, which is why I have a break-even stop, and if it wants to reverse on me in and around this area, it can, and I'd be okay with it. We also have news coming out in the next 5 minutes, okay, you guys? So let's hope we get something. I'm running by 4 pips into 2 positions, so that's about 1,000 bucks for me. Okay, that's what I'm running by right now. But I'm also in a risk-free trade. All right, and I'm in a completely risk-free trade at this point. Look at gold. All right, gold attempted. Okay, buys for gold. I like these, okay? And of course, if they want to break down, we've got all of this room to cover. Okay, I'm running on Nasty, you guys. I'm fucking running on Nasdaq. I'm up by 1400 on Nasdaq right now. 1600 on Nasdaq. Okay, is anyone catching this with me? Be careful. There's 3.5 minutes to go, right? 3.5 minutes to go. I'm running in risk-free trades, by the way. Okay, I think I'm gonna close one position. But I'm seeing volume. I'm in US 30, but caught the move. Awesome! US 30 is doing it as well. Damn it, I wanted to do US 30, but okay, guys. US 30 is attempting. Okay, so for the ones trading the dirty, that's what y'all are looking at. All right, let's see. I'm still running on Nasdaq. I'm running about 12 pips. Well, 12 pips because I have 2 positions, 6 each. Okay, so 1200. I'm pretty happy with this. I'm actually thinking I'm gonna secure half this position now, just because that would be a good target for me to just achieve and keep. Okay, I don't want to piss any of the profits away. I secured half of this, and I have the other half that's still running on a BE stop loss. Okay, and there you go. They're picking up some demand. Goldie is pushing, you guys. Look at that. Okay, the gold sells. We all know it. Right there to there. Okay, that'd be TP1 in case they wanted to, and TP2 in case they wanted to. All right, but guys, Nasdaq is still pushing. Nasdaq is still pushing. Okay, potential death cross. We want to see if that's going to be a real one or if they're faking us out. All right, we need to make sure. So let's wait for the close below our demand. I'm still running on Nasty, by the way. Okay, you guys, I'm still in on this. I pulled out one position. I've got one position still on the dirty. All right, let's look at the dirty. Let's look at gold. Okay. It could be either or on gold, okay? We need to clear through this supply coming up in this region. Okay, look at that. Gold is attempting to push. Okay, news in the next 1 minute, you guys. It could be a dud. It doesn't need to be anything too crazy. Just letting y'all know. So just watch out, be mindful, and let's see what they want to do. Okay, let's look at Nasty. Retest on Nasty. Okay, they could go all the way back up to retest our now turned supply. Okay, so don't be in very big positions, not till we successfully get rejected from here. Okay. Okay, so we have news in the next 10 seconds. Let's see what they want to do. Buys up here, you guys. Buys up there, okay? Alright, Nasty. Buyer stepping in. Nothing so far. Alright, I'm watching Nasdaq. Let's take a look at the dirty. The dirty's picking up support from our demand, you guys. Did gold do anything? Okay. Nothing on gold. Okay, Nasty is trying. Nasty is trying. Gold is there you go. Gold, gold, gold. Alright, let's do it, you guys. Be careful. Don't go too crazy. This may just wake back up, okay? Alright. I'm just testing out gold, you guys. Just testing it out. Alright, Nasty. Nasty is trying to break. It created a slightly lower low on this candle, and that's a potential death cross, okay? So we need to see how this candle closes, and we need to see if we're going to get that death cross. If we do, we're going to come down here to hit TP. Alright, so gold's having a retest. Going back up to test this area. The buys could come in for gold, okay, you guys? The buys could come in. That's if they break this, pushing to the upside. But you see all that selling momentum? that's a big ass wick, okay? Nasty. Alright, the dirty is attempting to as well. Do I have anyone trading the dirty right now? Okay. Let's look to get that break. Nasty. Okay, there you go. There you go. There you go. Alright, let's see. I'm running big time on Nasdaq, you guys. I'm running big time on Nasdaq. I'm up by 3 grand on Nasdaq, okay? Alright, 3 grand on Nasdaq, and I'm in on gold as well. I'm watching to see this break. Okay. So I'm up by 3,000 on Nasdaq, you guys. Who caught Nasdaq with us? Who caught that? I know Cash did. 3,500. Still counting, still climbing, okay? I'm up on Nasdaq. We go to hit TP. This should be a 5k trade for me. Space, my man. You got this. Alright, Dub, good stuff, Rapid. I'm up by 4 grand on Nasdaq right now. 4,000 on Nasdaq, okay? You know what? This is good for me. 4 grand is, fuck. Okay, 4,500, 4,700 on Nasdaq. Come on, let's hit the 5 mark. Alright, come on, let's do it. 4,500. And I'm liquidating my position. I'm not going to be greedy. Who caught that with me? Beautiful textbook setup. Who caught that with me, you guys? I'm going to throw on a W. Let me know. React, alright? Textbook setup. Nasdaq. I wasn't trading. Caught dirty. Good stuff, my brother. Good stuff. Look at dirty as well. Come on. Only 5 people caught that. Only 5 people. There's no freaking way only 5 people caught that textbook move. 6 people? What's going on with you guys? Are you guys scared today? I don't see too many of y'all. 1 active and 2 apparently trading. Look at US 30. Staring at my phone, can't react. Okay, fair enough. Alright, you guys. As long as you're up big, that's all that matters. But look at the dirty. The dirty's still pushing. Okay, by the way, I'm completely out. I've liquidated all of my positions, and I'm done. I made 1, 2, 3. I made 4,300 on this trade. 4,300 on Nasdaq, and I'm done. In all honesty, guys, take out your profits. Okay, just leave runners. But if you've made what you wanted to from this trade, just take out your profits. All right, because you don't need to be risking any more. It's all good. Listen, with the strategy, this is the way we work, right? We look for 10, 15 pips, and the way me and Cash have built the money management of the strategy over the past years, it's so that we expose our Lambos or our bigger positions, anything that's not a feeler, for as little time as we possibly can. Okay, so for us, this is a successful trade, and the way I do it with the guys on the one the guys and the lovely women on the one on ones is we give me a second, babe. 1 second. All right, is 1 second, you guys. Okay, the way we do it is I lost my chain of thought. Damn it, what was I talking about? That happens a lot, you guys. Okay, we're picking up demand. We're picking up demand from gold, so they didn't want to let this go down. So they're most likely going to push this back up. Guys, take out your profits. Okay, take out your profits. I mean it. Look at Nasdaq now. Y'all don't want to be part of this. If y'all have made your moves and banked some, take it out and move out of these markets. Literally, I'm done with my daily goal, so I'm good. Not looking to trade too much more. Trust me, the successful traders are the ones that that know when to stop. All right, and a lot of people on here will agree with me. Overtrading and being greedy is a real thing. You'll need to know when to stop. You'll need to know when you'll have had enough. Okay. Okay. Is anyone still in on any of these trades, or have y'all taken out your profits? Either Nasdaq or the dirty. Anyone still in? Out? No trades? Out? Okay. You're in on Nasdaq. Closed 80%. Beautiful. Holding a runner. Awesome. Look at that, man. That should start to pay off now. Okay. That should start to pay off now. Let's see. We break that low. We're pushing down further, y'all. We break that low. We're pushing down further. Yep, Nasty's falling. Look at that freaking falling, you guys. They've created a new low. Let's see if they break. Okay, they can easily come down to test this area. Or even if not that, they can come down to maybe test this area. Okay, so we could definitely get that move. What do y'all think? Do y'all think we're gonna break past this to the downside even further? I wouldn't mind entering on a quick position, but look at this, guys. Fuck it. I was just talking to y'all about overtrading. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna go against what I said. Yeah, I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm happy with what I got. Make sure your runners at BE Mills. You don't want to incur any sort of losses. Do we have our OG traders Barney and Sandy on the call? Are you guys here? Yes. Look at you guys. Barney and Sandy have done it, all right, and they've done it the right way. Yeah, you guys, I couldn't be happier for y'all, and I couldn't be, and I couldn't, damn it, all right, and I couldn't be more proud, um, of what y'all have done. Okay, guys, look at gold. Okay, but Barney and the buys could be coming in. Barney and Sandy, you guys, they have successfully completed their challenges and they're working hard on moving forward, and they're just continuing to be as good as they are. Okay, so there's a lot to learn from them, there's a lot to admire about them, but most importantly, they are successfully trading these markets. Okay, they are experienced traders, yes, but they joined us, we joined them, we've helped them, they've grown with us, we've also learned a lot from them, and now they're successfully trading these accounts. Okay, so congratulations to you guys. I just wanted to give y'all a shout out because it is more than just deserved, and I really appreciate you guys. Also, I messaged both of y'all after the session. If y'all could please reply back to that, I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Oh, there you go. Millzone brought it up, so y'all can go ahead and answer that. Congratulations, me, Cash, and Mills. We were talking about y'all, and we cannot be more proud of what you guys have done. Seriously, hands down, it's amazing. All right, we have had more people clear the challenges, but you guys have done it, and y'all have done it big. All right, so guys, show them love, show them support, because they're hard workers and it shows. Okay, and all I can say is anything is possible. All right, anything is possible as long as you put your mind to it. Okay, so congratulations again, you guys. Gold. All right, Sandy and Barney, y'all owe me something because I missed gold because of y'all. Okay. All right, maybe a beer sounds good. Okay, let's see. They are running in on Goldie. All right, they're running in on Goldie. Let's see if they want to close this. Fucking hell. Okay, I'm not gonna look to get in on this, alright? Just look at this resistance that we're coming in on. I'm gonna see if this candle closes. If it does, I'll look to get in on anything, but otherwise I'm fine. Alright, not stressing about this trade too much. We're definitely coming into some serious supply up there. I'm not gonna draw it out, it's just gonna clutter the chart more. Okay, and look at Nasdaq middle zone. Please tell me you're in and you're making some, brother. Nasty trying, and it's trying freaking hard. Let's see if we want to make a lower low. Huh? You're in on Nasdaq? Okay. Aren't you tired, babe? Your back's hurting. Do you want a massage? um... Alright, I'm gonna have an alert thrown on here. Okay, we're building demand as we're going, you guys. We're building demand as we're going. Okay, y'all can see it clearly over here. They're now starting to wick, and we have these wicks sitting in this area. Okay, so all of this is now going to act as some demand. Let's see how this technically is still a healthy retest, but I would suggest you guys to take your profits out, and you could maybe look to re-enter if we break the next structure. Okay, back to the W. Alright, you guys were in trades then, you'll better not be in trades now. How many of y'all caught something? Alright, we work really hard to make this happen for y'all. Okay, I kid you not. So, react to the W. We just need to know how many people have made some money off of our setups today. Alright? It doesn't matter if you're on a paper trading account, if you're on a real account, if you've made $1, 10, 100, 1,000, or whatever it is. Okay, as long as you've used our analysis and you've learned something, just react to the emoji, because we do this for free, and all we ask for in return, well, I'm not even asking for anything. I just want to know how many people used it. Also, Our prayers go out to I don't know if you guys have seen what's happening, but Turkey and Syria, our prayers go out. It's really upsetting, and um, yeah, yeah. It's there's not much to say about it, but it's just good to think about them and keep that in our mind. Okay, so prayers to them. Okay, gold, trying, trying. Fucking hell, dirty. We hit TP on dirty. One of you was on dirty. Are you still in on it? Whoever that was, I think was it Damien or someone was in on dirty, right? Mill zone. I love it, brother. I love it. Guess whose confidence is back, huh? Lovely. Good, good. It don't matter, man. Small, big, it doesn't matter. But just as long as um, you're riding the momentum, that's what matters. All right, look at that. The dirtiest freaking. That could have been a nice re-entry again. Another 10 pips from that area. All right, but look at it. We're freaking pushing down. Gold is pushing up. Anyone in on gold? Anyone trading Goldie right now? Look at that. Gold's got momentum. Look at that, you guys. But that flick, did you see that flick, babe? I didn't like the flick that I just saw. I'm not sure if you guys caught it on the stream, but there was just a flick where we had this solid candle push up and then boom, it flicked down and then push back up. To me, that screams manipulation. Um, but damn it, I'm not in on this, you guys. I'm not in on this. Beautiful trade on gold. I don't think I'm staying for market open today, y'all. We don't need to. The people that trade regularly with me, I'm sure, have already made their money. Um, I'm not going to stay for market open, and I don't want to get rid of the profits that I've made, okay? Okay, so I had a session with another OG trader of ours, Space V1, just some time back, and we were talking about Ethereum. We were talking about what the potential movement could be here. I'd like to know what you guys think. What do y'all think? What do y'all think is? Do y'all think this recent bullish run is just a fake one before we test lower lows, or do y'all think that we're gonna push back up to 2K and then possibly 4? It's nice to know your thoughts. Um, so let me know. Yep, Millzone. I've messaged them personally as well. I created a group. I'll add you into it, so it's completely up to them. We could also do it anonymously, no problem. If you guys are okay with that, we don't have to name you guys because y'all are still part of the community. I feel like there's a possible leg down on ETH before hit. Yep, yep. I agree. That's exactly what me and Space were talking about. Um, yeah, it's likely. But then I'm looking at the weekly, right? I'm looking at I've only on ETH. It's funny, right? I'm a freaking scalper. I've got scalping in my blood, but when it comes to crypto, I'm looking at the weekly, all right? So on the weekly, I was showing this to Space as well. We're coming into a little bit of a pennant, and we're also trending to the upside. We've just broken past the 50. I do reckon that we could come back down to test this demand area at maybe the 1500 area, which would also act as the retest of our 50. But if we hold true to this, if we hold true to our 50, I truly believe we could have a nice bounce back up, and maybe we don't. Again, this is an area that needs to be filled. Nasty? Trying. Millzone just sent a picture. I love seeing that. Beautiful. Congratulations, buddy. Love it. Love it. Nasty's pushing. Nasty's trying to push really hard, you guys. Alright, the dirty is attempting to. They're selling big time. Is anyone in on Nasdaq? I'm not trading Nasdaq at all. Absolutely Milzone, my man. Cheers and congratulations on hitting your profit target. Nasty still dropping. They're attempting. Okay, they're creating lower lows. Gold is having a retest of the 9. Alright, retest of the 9. Oh, fucking hell. I should have gotten on this. Nasty's dropping, you guys. Dropping hard. Look at that. Beautiful move on Nasdaq, you guys. Beautiful move. Okay. Look at that retest on Goldie. Okay, but look at how oversold that market is, okay? And look at how, well, no, we've got room on Nasty. But anyway, I'm not in on Nasdaq, okay? So I didn't take any trades on that. I am, well, I've been looking at gold. I like gold as a potential opportunity, alright? So I'm gonna switch the chart to gold. I have been staring at gold on my phone. Is Nasdaq still pushing? Is Nasdaq still bleeding? Yeah, we're gonna have to catch support. At least on the dirty, we're gonna have to catch support somewhere. We're gonna have to do it soon. Look at that. Right when I said it, looks like they're picking up support. Yep, definitely picking up support from this demand sitting right here. Okay, I have some orders set up on gold, you guys, at the highs. Alright, I'm looking for maybe a quick 10 pip in and out move. Nothing too much, nothing too crazy. Just bank another 10 pips and I'd be happy to call it a day. Okay, you see how critical this area is, correct? We broke past the 50. We're retesting the 50. Are we going to respect that as support or are we not? That's what's going to let us know if we're going to get this trade. Alright, so 50 seconds to go on this candle before we have the last 5-minute candle to the hourly swap, okay? No, we're catching support. Okay, still intently watching this, you guys. They're well, on my phone I can see they're catching support off of the 9 right there. That's what's holding them. Okay, but so far it seems like they want to push. That's fine. Look at Nasty. Still attempting to push down on Nasdaq, you guys. Critical point on Nasdaq as well. Okay, gold. Are we gonna hold support from the 9? We've got to find out. Sorry, you guys. Cash is stuffing my mouth with food. Nasty's falling. Huh? Okay. I should have still been on Nasty. I'm watching gold like a fool. Is anyone still in on Nasdaq? Except you, baby. Anyone still in on Nasdaq? Gold is finally maybe attempting again. This is where I should have left runners. Yeah, fair enough. My run is still going good. Good. Oh, look at gold. 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 I haven't gotten triggered in as yet. Okay, I'm at the highs. I'm at the highs waiting. Come on. Guys, I do believe Nasty's retracements could be coming in, okay? It's just been too long. Look at that, alright? We could have retracements coming in. We also have the Ali swap coming in. I'm waiting for a buy on gold, Lenny. Buy. I'm waiting for the buys. I want to see how we break this area, okay? Just because this is going to be so crucial to break. So I want to see how they close this candle and how they open the new Ali candle, alright? So lots of bullish momentum on the Ali. But this also means that this is range that has to be filled. Okay, so we may not fill it for market open, but we could no problem come back up to test this, okay? To test the EMA on the Ali. Okay, let's see, about a minute to go. Nasty's picking up support. So is the dirty, okay? You can potentially start to look for positions that look something like that. That's if it comes up there. Last 30 seconds of this candle. Let's see, you guys. Let's see. All right, they're pushing. They're pushing them back down. Last 10 seconds. Are we gonna get a pop or are we gonna start to reverse? We're gonna find out shortly, okay? Okay, that's the new Ali switch up. New candle opens up bullish, attempting to test the high, gets rejected, pushing down, buyer stepping in, very, very tiny demand sitting over there. Okay, let's see how they hold at this level. Alright, let's see how they hold right there. And then of course if they don't respect that level, we're going to see how we hold at this level. It looks like barcoding to me, you guys. Looks pretty rangy to me as of right now. Not my kind of market. Y'all know it. Okay, retracements coming in on the indices. We're at 43 on the RSI. Alright, so there's room to make back up. Alright guys, if they don't hold over here, they're gonna start to push back down, okay? It's pretty simple and pretty straightforward. Alright, so I never got triggered in on anything on gold. Like I told y'all, my orders were at the highs, which is this level. I had my orders sitting up here. Well, I still have my orders sitting up here, and if and when we go boop, I will get triggered up to our supply. Nasty still? Fucking hell. What is going on with Nasdaq, you guys? What is going on with them? But I don't like those wicks, man. Those are too many wicks, babe. Too many wicks. I don't like it. Dirty's trying to do something similar. Gold's not giving us the goddamn move, you guys. I hate it. I hate it. I just literally wanna get that, and I'd be so happy. Gold's attempting, you guys. I like that wick on gold. I'm sorry, I'm just staring at gold. Should I throw on some? Should I throw on some alerts? Let's look at nasty over here. Let's look at Goldie. Well, nasty for the cells over there. US 30. Let's look at that, and let's look at that. Okay. Is anyone in any sort of trades, you guys? Anyone still in on anything, or are y'all just watching? Okay, look at that. They're attempting. Fuck it. I'm bringing it there. Alright, you guys, I'm looking to maybe possibly test this out. Okay, I'm gonna test it out. Again, just testing it, and y'all know where my order is gonna get triggered, okay? Okay, and there you go. They're bringing it down. Let's see if they hold true to the 9. They're not, you guys. They want this to bleed. Alright, they want this to bleed. I'm gonna hold on to my feeder. I have no problem holding on to it. It's just $1. So it's really tiny for me. I'm gonna have my stop loss for my feeder all the way down here. Alright. And yeah, that's about 30-35 pips. And that's where I'm gonna have my stop loss for this. And we'll see how it goes, okay? Dirty. Nasty, dirty. They're both bleeding, you guys. Fucking hell. That's the next area on the dirty. Nasty is still not doing it. Nasty is trying. We could go there, but I don't like the cells, you guys. I don't like the cells. Look at this. Okay, I don't like this. Is anyone else watching gold with me? Anyone else, or am I the only one trading gold here today? Watching gold? Okay, good, good. Quite a few gold traders now, huh? I like it. V, better be careful with the money management that we spoke about, okay? Nasty? Pushing? Fucking hell, you guys. How much are you up by? I just asked her how much are you up by and she's like, why should I tell you?
Oh my god, okay, I'm banking.
How much? Seriously.
I'm up 5.
Share it on the group. Share it on the group. Come on, guys. Cash, for some reason, is not sharing her profits on the group. Share it on the group. Send a picture. They want to see how much you're making.
It's dropping though. I don't want to give false information out there with my...
Oh, fucking hell. Are you still in on this?
I'm playing very small, babe.
You're the NAS queen. Give us some inspiration. That's what they're saying, babe. US 30W. Beautiful. Congratulations. Push down on the US 30. Nasty looks like it wants to push to hit TP. Gold is not doing shit. Like I'm looking at this and it's not doing anything. US 30 textbook? Yeah, pretty textbook right there. Break the low and break that structure and push. Nasdaq, you guys, Nasdaq is still pushing. 50 seconds to go. All right, 50 seconds to go for this candle to close. Let's see. US 30 is still bleeding, you guys. Who's banking on this? Come on. Gold. Okay, guys, I just got triggered on gold. 1440. I'm running by 1440 on gold. Okay, 930 on gold. I'm going to change this to break even. I don't feel comfortable because this was my original area that I wanted to get into. But I got triggered in on this. Okay, I'm changing this to break even. Okay, I'm in on break even, you guys. I'm in on break even, and I'm running by $1,000 on gold right now. Yes, babe, I don't have to stay for market open. All right, I'm running by $1,000. I'm hoping to maybe pull out 2,000 or 3,000 from this, and I'm gonna be good. All right, so let's see if they want to hold or if they want to break past this. Okay, but nonetheless, I'm in on a risk-free trade, and I'm not sweating. I'm not sweating. All right, because even if this wants to come back down, I'm okay with it. I won't be losing any money. All right, but so far I'm running 10 pips, 10 pips. Okay, I'm up by 1700 on gold. 2000 on gold.
Nice.
Okay, ranging between 16, 1800 on gold, you guys. Should I liquidate some of this, babe? What do you think?
No, we have
Oh, fuck me. Okay, nope. All right, 2500 on gold, you guys. 2500 on gold. Should I still hold?
yeah, they're
Okay.
outside.
All right, okay.
Just
Um,
cross this way and then
let's see if we're gonna break this.
yeah. Looks like
Let's take a look at the higher time frame.
it's making a big W now.
I'm up by 1111 on gold. I just saw that.
Hey.
All right, let's look at the early. Okay, I pulled it out, you guys. On gold, I pulled it out when I saw it. I pulled about $1,000 on this. Okay, I could have pulled out 25, but I'm okay with pulling out 1,000. That's 1,000 that I didn't have before this. Okay, I got stopped out at break even for the rest of my trades. I'm good, you guys. Do y'all want me to be staying for market open, or are we good to call it a session? We do have market open in the next 18 minutes. I could stay if y'all want me to. But again, if you guys have hit your profit targets like we have,
15-minute candle. Wait for this 15-minute candle.
if y'all have made your targets like we have, then I'm not gonna stay. But if you guys need me to stick around for the next 15 minutes, I could. All right, so I'm checking the chat. Let me know, you guys.
See this? Huh? Should I?
Okay, sure. All right, I'll stay for market open, you guys. Okay. US 30, still trying, still trying. Okay, gold came all the way back down to test the 9. This doesn't mean that it's going to go bearish. This just means that we're retesting the 9 and the 50. Nasdaq picking up some support. Okay. Alright, so we have about 15 minutes to market open, you guys. So now's the time, if y'all have any sort of questions, or if y'all have anything, since we do have some time right now, I could clear it up for y'all at this time, okay? Because I realize that some of y'all send me DMs, y'all send me messages, and there are just too many of them, you guys, too many of them. So I've completely stopped replying. If it's for the guys on my one-on-ones, then I have everything written down, and I usually go back to their DMs on the day of the session, because that's when I get notified. But if y'all have any questions, the lives are the best times. The lives are the best time to get asking, okay? Because I'm right here, and I'd rather do it to you guys one-on-one over a call, well, one on as many of y'all over a call rather than over text. Okay? Yes, 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 buddy. I got you covered. Okay, don't worry. In this week, I'm gonna make sure I have yours covered. I appreciate you understanding, brother. You're another OG. Thank you. Smoking Lemon NFT, you too, my friend, you too. You too, you too. The two of y'all are left, and I'll get y'all covered in this week, alright? I've also gotten some more messages for the one-on-ones, you guys. I just want y'all to know that I'm not going to be having any intakes this week. I am wrapping up quite a few. In fact, we had Space, my man over here, just complete the 5-session course, and he's booked another 5. So if he was done with his course, I'd have an opening for this week. But since he's rebooked in, we're not going to have any intakes for this week. But we'll probably open up 2 more slots next week for you guys, okay? Space, my man. Guys, also questions. Alright, I'm sure I see a lot of y'all asking questions on Forex chat, and of course, the community tries to help y'all as much as they possibly can. Are you still bearish on Nasdaq and the US 30 for market open? I'm gonna watch. I'm gonna watch for the next maybe 5-7 minutes. Have another candle or two play out. I do think it's time that they start coming back up, though. All right, at least on the dirty Nasdaq, possibly more. But on the dirty, it's time. Nasdaq is trying though. Nasdaq is trying though. Dawood, yes sir, yes sir. How do you find your support and resistance lines, demand supply zones? For example, the 4H supply is named like that because you found, say, the low on the 4H. No, well, so we're finding key levels of support and resistance. There are multiple levels of support and resistance that keep flipping, and the ones that you see on our chart are the most key levels according to us that through historical data we see price potentially reacting to. So that's how we sort of find these levels. We do the top-down analysis, which is the lines that you see on our charts. We start from the higher time frames, and then we come down to the lower time frames, with the time frame which is the 5-minute, where we scalp these markets. So it's identifying these key levels, lines and areas, zones that flip from support to resistance and resistance to support, and back and forth and back and forth. Okay, thank you. After only one session, following these lives are still tad confusing. Hope it'll be clear after a few more sessions. Absolutely, man. Listen, if trading was this easy, everyone would be a millionaire. Okay, you've just been through one session, you've got more coming up. Don't worry about it. Things will get clearer because the way I've designed this course, the 5-session course, because that is the bestseller. 90% of people are on the 5 sessions. The way I've designed the course, we keep adding things session after session after session, right? So it'll all add up. Session 1 is only and only introduction. Exactly, like what Millzone just said, right? Most of us have been on for 3 months. Believe it or not, Millzone has been here on every session, literally every session from the start till now, and he's still picking it up. Me myself, I'm still learning every day, and I've been trading these markets for 7 years, you guys. So it's not gonna happen overnight, okay? And I've always tried to set that expectation straight for you guys, because we're not marketing Forex as a get-rich-overnight scheme. Both me and Cash, we've worked really, really hard to get where we're at. 10 pips stop loss is recommended, right? I get stopped out way too often. Well, then there's something going on with your entries and exits, B2. Have we covered the entry-exit strategy on our session as yet? because if you're following the entry exit strat, of course the entries and exits are going to be different for you and me because there are multiple factors that come into play, like spreads for example, and just where you're hitting by, what your internet connection is your broker going to screw you over and fill your order 2 seconds later? It's multiple things that add up, so our entries and exits are going to be different. But if I've already shared the entry exit strategy with you over the live sessions, then you need to practice that, because practice is what makes perfect. 10 pips is a very good stop loss. Ask people on here. Ask Space, ask Barney, ask Sandy, ask all of the people that have been trading here for a long time with me. 10 pips is good, but as long as you're using the entry and exit strategy properly. Gets easier the more you tune in. Keep playing with the demo account until you're comfortable. I think I missed one. You're not even close to an expert, but happy. Well, yeah, I think you just missed one. That's about it. The markets will give you something new to learn every day. Trust me, you guys. Listen, if someone tells you that they know everything about the market, about these markets, they're full of beep. All right, I kid you not. It's not possible with everything in life. I truly believe that you can never be perfect, which is what keeps me chasing perfection, right? So I'm always still learning, and it's almost like whose Oscar speech was that? Was it McConaughey? Yeah,
Chasing
yeah,
myself.
exactly. You guys seen the Academy speech of McConaughey? The man, he inspired a lot of artists and a lot of filmmakers with that, right? But always chase the best version of yourself, knowing that you're not going to catch up to that person. That's how you're going to get better and better and better every single day. 10 pips is sweet when you are. Exactly. That's another thing that you guys need to practice too. Just what Space said, you guys. But this is what I do. It happens on the lives a lot with me. I get into a big position. Why don't y'all think my positions don't go against me? Please, that's wrong. But I'm quick enough to realize I'm 5 pips in profit. I'm gonna change it to break even. So if it wants to reverse on me, that's fine, because a break even a break even trade is a successful trade. It's not a loss, right? So till you don't lose money, that's a successful trade. Okay, there you go. They are picking up support on Nasdaq. Yeah, I feel it too lately. As long as we got the right entry floating, won't more than 10 pips. Exactly, exactly. Of course, these markets are going to be different. Every setup is going to be different. There are going to be different catalysts that play a role in these markets. So we've got to be mindful of those things. But yeah, with these setups that we give you, 99% of the time, again, if you're respecting the impulse break, the retest, rejection, and break of previous structure, I have a video up on Forex Academy for the ones who aren't on the personal mentorship program with me, okay? So this is not just for, it's not a secret that I'm sharing with the one-on-ones. No, it's even there on Forex Academy. If one of you guys can tag Forex Academy, y'all can go and just see what I'm talking about. What percent of your account is 10 pips in this situation? You guys should listen. I've been telling y'all a lot, all right? And the ones on my mentorship program, the way we do the money management is based off of 0.5% or 1% on any given trade. So the 10 pips that you're risking with your Lambo should either be 0.5% of your account or 1%, nothing more. I personally would recommend 0.5%, 0.5%. If you're risking any more than that on those 10 pips, you are over leveraging straight up, all right? And that's a mistake that you're going to have to rectify. Cheers, Lenny. What are you in on?
Number 10.
Okay. I think I entered too late, but let's talk. Absolutely, B2. We'll cover all of this on the one-on-one, okay? Try to have some examples of some trades that you think went against you, and we'll break down as to why that went against you, okay? We usually do this on the mentorship program, all right? So make sure to have some recorded trades. Okay. Finally, we've picked up some support. We've picked up some support right over here, as you all can see. Buys, maybe that retracement. Let's see as we get closer. Let's take a look at the dirty. Okay, what did gold end up doing? Gold's trying to go up again. Lots of rejection. We have market open in the next 2 minutes, you guys. Alright, 2 minutes for market open. Let's see if we're gonna get anything. Okay, y'all understand why I've thrown on these lines here, correct? Nope. Potential reversals. Okay, let's not look at gold. Okay, we could look at this, or we could look at this. If you feel more comfortable, y'all could be looking at something like this. And on the dirty, still bleeding, you guys. Look at that. They're fucking bleeding. Oh my god. What the hell was that, you guys? Did y'all see that? Did y'all fucking see that? What just happened on the dirty? Okay, let's see. Alright, let's see if they want the trend to still push. There's something seriously going on with the dirty, y'all. I caught a little bit of that. Oh man, you sly man. That's lovely. I'm glad you did though. Good stuff, okay? Good stuff. What the fuck was that? What's Nasty doing?
Trying to fall.
Okay.
Catching support.
Alright, Nasty's picking up some support. Okay, I'm watching the dirty, you guys. Even though I don't like this trade, it goes against every principle of that I have in terms of trading. But if it happens, I'll look to get 5-6 pips. What's Nasty doing? Nasty's fucking pushing, you guys. Okay, Nasty. The buys never got triggered in. Let's get rid of this. Let's move this here. Nasty is still potentially pushing. All right, y'all know where the buys are at. Okay, let's have an alert at the buys right here. Okay, there you go, guys. There you go. All right. Listen, in case the buys want to start to come in, y'all know where the buys are. We're looking in that range, okay? We are coming into the RSI right over here, into the EMA right over there, as y'all can see. So we need to see if we're gonna respect this or if we're gonna disrespect it and continue to push up into our supply zone up there. Okay, but they're fucking pushing, you guys. They're pushing, all right? Look at that. Gold finally did it as well. Okay, maybe we're gonna get that move on gold. Look at the US 30. Okay, these are the buys in case anyone is looking, alright? But you'll need to realize this is impulsive. Alright, this is an impulsive buy right now. Okay, picked up solid support, you guys. This is why I was saying I was against selling this market for this reason. Alright, this is why we weren't looking for sells. That's why we didn't get into any sort of sells on the dirty, alright? But let's see. If they break the low, it's a different story altogether. Okay, but so far it looks like they've picked up. This to me is building an engulfing candlestick right now, okay? That's showing a nice solid trend reversal in these markets. Nasty's dropping. Okay, Nasty's still attempting to drop. Fucking hell, look at the dirty, you guys. It is. Gold attempting again. Caught the dirty. Congratulations, Space. You caught the buys or you caught the sells on the dirty? What do you catch? The pullback? Good. I'm glad. Stick with the analysis, okay? That's what's gonna help you. We break this and boom, we're going up to the EMA. Alright, so let's see. Okay, let's see how this candle closes up in the next 5 seconds. Nasty? Nasty is bleeding. Alright, Nasty is attempting to bleed you guys. Look at that. Look at the US 30. They're trying in full freaking force, you guys. Full force. Okay. Nasty, nasty, nasty. There you go. All right, the Nasdaq sells could be coming in. Chop market open today, you guys. Very, very choppy market open. Not too much happening. We do have Powell's speech in the next 2 hours. Um, expect some chop. All right, expect some chop. If you guys are going to be trading that, please realize that there's going to be a lot of. You're not going to get impact on the news straight out directly. Okay, you're going to see. We could come to fill this, you guys. We're coming down to fill this. Okay. All right, y'all are going to see that it's going to take some time because the speech red folders, it takes time for them to finish talking, right? So it's you're going to have some waiting to do if you're going to be trading that news. But all in all, sorry about that. A nice successful day, you guys. Okay, so Nasdaq broke. Nasdaq's bleeding. All right, I'm not in on Nasdaq, you guys. Is anyone in on Nasdaq? Anyone selling, shorting Nasdaq right now? We've had this position and we've been riding this position from there, you guys. Anyone in on Nasdaq? Or have you guys hit your daily targets? Been shorting nasty, good stuff. Yeah, yeah. Take out your profits, all right? Take out your profits because this could happen. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna call it a session, alright? This was a good one. Again, it was, I wouldn't call it a slow day. We made our pips and that's what matters. And at the end of the day, as long as you close your day in profit, it's all good, okay? So do we have any final questions or can I call it a session? Before any of you leaves, go on to Success Stories and go on to Twitter. Alright, go on to Twitter and make sure y'all throw on a post for us. We do this as a free service for y'all every single day. We'd really appreciate if you guys could just go on to Twitter and throw on a post for us. Make sure to tag CramFX, CashFX, and Project Whitelist. And let's get some recognition to what we're doing here, okay, you guys? Is Nasdaq bleeding? Oh, Nasdaq started buying. Fucking hell, look at that. These are the buys. Okay, look at that. The buys are finally stepping in. I'm not trading this, you guys. I'm not trading this at all. But we have this position for the buys, okay? Guys, also, Twitter posts. We don't see. Well, to be fair, I don't check Twitter because I have someone else doing it for me. But I don't even see too many success stories now. Okay, you guys are taking us for granted just a little bit. All right, look at gold. Okay, make sure to go on and post some success stories and some Twitter posts for us, you guys. That's all we're asking for. We're nice people, and we like building a community of nice people here as well, where we all help each other hand in hand, and we're not asking for too much, okay? It's going to be free for you to throw on a post for us on Twitter, and make sure to tag Cramcash and Project Whitelist, okay? So, you're shooting tomorrow as well, aren't you? Alright, so we're on shoot tomorrow as well. Again, guys, I'm sorry. We're not sure if London is fixed or not because we have to get this work done. This week's a really busy week for our production house, so we have to get this done. Cash will keep you guys updated, and she will let you all know if she's doing London. Nonetheless, I will still be doing New York, because irrespective of whether we're on shoot or we're not on shoot, I'm going to come here for you guys, and we're going to continue to build our army of millionaires, okay? So I'm still going to be here. Cash is going to try her best to be there as well. Thank you so much for Q&A and a fun day today. Absolutely. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate y'all. If y'all haven't already, please go on to Pings and Verify. If one of you guys could please tag that for me. Go on to Pings and Verify and claim your Forex calls roll, okay? So that you guys know when we're going live and what the changes are, because our timings are not fixed, okay, and they're not going to be fixed either. So I really appreciate each and every one of y'all, and like I keep telling you, okay, we're building an army of millionaires. It's up to you whether you want to join us or whether you want to miss on this opportunity, because I can promise you, you will come back, but you'll come back later regretting that you didn't start earlier, okay? So go on to Forex Academy, look at the information that you have to go on to YouTube. YouTube's your best friend. Everything's available on YouTube, and get ready to start scalping these freaking markets with us. Alright, so thank you guys so much. I really appreciate y'all. Sandy Bunny, please reply to me on the group chat. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you all so much. I will see y'all tomorrow. Have a good rest of the day, afternoon, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are, and I'll catch you all tomorrow. Have a good one, guys. I'm Kram, my partner is Cash, and this is 4X Trading. Signing out.